Hey y'all, it's Day, and I'm giving you guys a 3-step wash day video today with TRELUXE products. A lot of us are working from home or under stay-at-home orders from the government, and we done got lazy or we're overworked and we're just neglecting our hair. So here's a routine to get you through with the quickness, sis. So first and foremost, we're going to start off with cleansing, and I'm using the TRELUXE Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. And I think this is the first time I've washed my hair in the shower in years, and oh, I missed this. I couldn't do it before because my blue hair, and when I had those bright reds, it was just staining my bathtub, but man, I've missed the ease of washing my hair in the shower, minus this recording part. But anyway, so these products recommend that it's applied to soaking wet hair with warm water, and being that I can wash my hair and my body to save time, I decided to just go ahead and do it in the shower. This cleansing rinse, again, is a gentle cleanser. It suds up really nicely, and I was able to run my fingers through my hair as I washed it, so it's definitely a moisturizing shampoo. You can find these products at Walgreens. They're actually having a buy 2 get 1 free sale until April the 25th, so you can cop all 3 of these products I'm about to show you, girl. Well, that's if the Rona don't have you locked down. Otherwise, you can go onto the TRELUXE website and get it shipped right to your door. They do have free shipping until April the 30th. And I got y'all a 15% off code. Just use DAY15 at checkout. So, this cleansing rinse has aloe leaf juice in it, glycerin, coconut milk, slippery elm bark extract, hydrolyzed keratin and keratin amino acids, which is protein, and it has rice extract, which makes me wonder if this is like the similar effect that rice rinses are giving. I've never done one of those. And it also has tomato extract. And I had to look up the benefits of tomato on hair because that's different to me. I haven't heard of using tomatoes in product. So, tomato extract is rich in vitamins A, B, C, and E, which help prevent hair loss, promote a natural shine, and it helps with scalp and dandruff. I think I'm nice and cleaned up, so I'm going to move right along to step number 2, which is conditioning. And I'm using the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. I applied this again to soaking wet hair. The directions say to rinse hair in warm water for about 30 to 60 seconds. That right there is going to open up the cuticle. Then it says to apply a lot of the leave-in. And it then said to rinse and apply it again. And I'm going to be honest, I forgot to rinse and apply it again, but hey, my hair still was super soft. Like, it was soft as I don't know what, y'all. And felt like how my hair feels after deep conditioning benefits hit. Like, I really love this leave-in. Y'all gonna see this again in my top leave-in products video. But this hands down was my favorite thing out of the collection. It has coconut in it, avocado, aloe vera, tomato fruit extract, keratin amino acids, coconut milk, panthenol, and broccoli. And y'all, I had to look up the benefits of broccoli. So like tomato, it's very vitamin rich. It contains vitamin A, C, and D. And it's also rich in omega fatty acids, which is good for strengthening hair and preventing hair from drying out. I also read that the broccoli actually mimics the good effects of silicones because it coats the hair, leaving a light layer that feels smooth and shiny and prevents frizz, but the hair can actually absorb it. Unlike silicones, which sit on top of your hair, this can actually absorb right into your hair and give you moisture from the inside out. And y'all, this stuff left my hair feeling so silky. This leave-in right here, yeah, it's definitely giving me the same feeling that I get when I deep condition my hair, except for it is safe to leave it in without rinsing it out. Now I'm on to the 3rd step, which is styling, and I use the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. This is a moisturizing cream for hydrating, strengthening, protecting, and styling. So this is my last step. I'm moisturizing and applying my styler, and again, this says to apply on soaking wet hair. These products are very concentrated. They're made for coily, curly, tight textures. So the company really encourages people to apply the products to soaking wet hair to help evenly distributed so you don't have to apply too much and have buildup. And I've told y'all this before in my flaking videos. Sometimes it ain't the product, it's the uses. Oftentimes when we need to apply, we feel like we need to apply more product. It's really that we need to apply more water, not product, to get it to coat our hair. A lot of times people are experiencing buildup, not because the product doesn't like their hair, it's just that they apply way too much product and their hair cannot actually absorb the product, or they're not properly cleansing their hair. But anyway, this has aloe vera, coconut oil, tomato extract, rice extract, amino acids, apricot oil, avocado oil, marshmallow root extract, shea butter, coconut milk, and has a very, very lightweight consistency, but it just made my hair feel so smooth and silky. Like, I'm really a fan of products I can feel like absorb right into my hair. Like, that gives me immediate softening, immediate effects. And y'all can see I'm just doing a braid and curl. It's a quick and easy style. I literally only did braids and slapped some rods at the end so I can go on about my business. I don't know what it is about this quarantine, y'all, but I just want to use this time to relax and regroup. I do not feel like doing anything, so this has been a super easy and carefree wash day for me. So I did sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes and I let this air dry overnight, and the next day it was completely dry. And I'm just gonna go ahead and separate and finish my styling. So overall, my opinion on these products, super moisturizing. It's definitely gonna be a go-to when my hair is dried out and it needs some moisture and some taming, because it also made my hair very, very manageable. As far as the definition, it's pretty good, but what I really like about my results is how silky and smooth my hair strands feel. It's been about 4 days since I filmed and my hair is still soft to the touch and it has a lot of movement and bounce. Like, I see this moisture lasting me through the rest of the week. The only thing I do differently is to maybe layer this hydrating cream with the high definition styling gel just to get a little bit more hold. But yeah, these results, my hair is just cotton soft. It feels really silky, like my strands just feel so silky. As I'm sitting here doing this voiceover, I can touch my hair and then rub my fingers together and my hands just feel really soft after touching my hair because it's that hydrated. And I got a lot of fluff. In other words, my results were bomb. I would just add that high definition styling gel just to get a little better hold. And that's it, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and cut the notification bells on too before you exit out this video. Bye.